Hello po. Good morning. So, thanks God we have made it 1 year more and it's 5:54 and the morning, we can call it morning na siguro by 6, but then it's December 31, 2024. So, handa na ba kayo? Nakagawa na ba kayo ng New Year's resolution nyo? Bakit natin kailangan gumawa ng New Year's resolution? To have self-control of what's happening in our lives. To attain our goals, priorities, dreams, and aspirations in life. So, paano ang paggawa ng New Year's resolution? Making New Year's resolution. Stay positive. No quick changes. Just slow and make a little room for yourself. Set a goal that is motivating you. Mag-set ka ng goal na nagmo-motivate sa'yo that you are not forced to do that thing. Make sure goal that you set is important to you and there is value and benefit in it for you. Number 3, manageable limits. Resolution that you can manage, okay? Things you want to accomplish and set limitations. Yung kaya mo lang. And be specific with your New Year's resolution. Be specific. New Year's resolution that is attainable, relevant, and time-sensitive. Measurable. Yung kaya mo siyang i-manage. Then, number 5 is write them down. That is very important. Bakit mo siya dapat i-list? Why would you list your New Year's resolution? Because to be able to not to forget them, to clarify what's your goal for this year, to take action, and it will serve as your guide, the list of your New Year's resolution and how far you have come. May mga nagawa na ba ako? May mga na-accomplish na ba ako? And share your New Year's resolution with others. Why? Para may counter-checking. Nagawa ko ba?